Hello YouTube, it's been a while. Remember this 30 euro hunting knife I bought on a whim back when I was, needing a hunting knife, and it was supposed to be very cheap. Well, I've used this hunting knife for a lot of years, 3 years to be precise, and I thought it was high time to buy a new hunting knife. Thus, I came across a very famous Dutch knife maker, and I thought, well, why not? Let's splurge a little bit and buy a handcrafted knife. The knife maker name is René Huisman. He's from the Groningen province. And in Dutch hunting circles, he's very, very well known for excellent hunting knives. And I thought, well, why the heck not? So here's an unboxing, or rather unwrapping. They all come in these cloth wrapped. And let's just start out. It's a contact card, very useful. And then he rolls it, he carefully wraps it in. Oh look, the sheet. This is actually genuine leather. This is really tough leather. It's almost like wood, very thick. With a loop for the belt. It's very sturdy, not unlike this flimsy. Yeah, this is not even real leather. This is actually, this is the sound of genuine leather. It also, of course, comes with a leather string and the actual knife. Just in case you're thinking, well, he does custom knives, handmade knives, I want to have a custom handmade knife made for me. The waiting list is 3 years. So, well, he's doing this work besides his day job, and he doesn't have any apprentices or employees. So, yeah, the waiting list is very long. So if you spot a knife, if you spot his stand on an outdoor fair and you see a knife you like, don't hesitate, buy it directly. Otherwise, you have to wait for 3 years. This is the one I got. It's look at this quality. This is genuine. Silver solid bronze, and look at this steel. This is, yeah, this is not something you can buy in the store. That's, of course, etched in, made with pride in Holland. And I don't know if he's a hunter, but he talks a lot with hunters, so he knows what's supposed to feel good or works very well. This is, yeah, it's extremely sharp, of course. I'm not going to try how sharp it is. The blade is very thick as well. Very useful out there for the great outdoors. And this one is quite unique. It has a loop for your pink. So when you're, field dressing, you can simply drop it and without having it dropping to the floor. Yeah, it feels very solid in my hands. So yeah, I thought, why the heck not? This is, yeah, look at this blue rim. There's also a red, white and blue of the Dutch flag rim possible, but this one I like. It's also not very well to see, but he's usually using these different colored strings for the leather, which is often reminiscent of the color on the board, on the rim right here. The wood is just blank wood. He says it will darken over time. There's a really nice shine to it, and these facets will probably get deeper over time. Well, what can I say? I'm a very happy man right now. It's really, I think, the best knife I will ever buy in my entire life. Yeah, I think I'll have to put this knife in my will, because these are unbreakable. The steel is extraordinary quality. Not just a simple blank grinded down, but really nice polishing work. Yeah, I'm very, very happy. I think it will probably fit very snugly. Of course it does. These are handmade, made to fit. Indeed, very, very snugly. Oh man, I'm going to be having so much fun with this knife. Yeah, it's feels very solid. I mean, if you look at the cheap one, you can already see some dents here where the actual point of the knife is poking through the faux leather, of course. Yeah, that won't happen with this one. It's I don't know what the length of it is, but it's very well nice made. Yeah, this bronze will color over time, he says, but just ignore it, or it would rather be much nicer. So here you have it, my new hunting knife. You want to order one? Well, good luck. See you next time.